In a Texas courtroom, 49-year-old David Valdez pleads no contest to stealing a car, a state jail felony. This is his second offense for the same crime. Despite a passionate plea from his defense for probation, the state argues his past shows he can't be trusted. The judge delivers a stunning reality check, defining the stark difference between a mistake and a deliberate choice. The tension peaks when the judge asks Valdez a surprising question: "How much time do you think you deserve?" His shocking answer seals his fate. This is the dramatic sentencing of a repeat offender who finally faces the consequences.
All right, court is calling 2021 CR 3954, State of Texas versus State of Valdez. Now parties announced for the record for the state.
Brian Vermer for the state of Texas.
For the defense.
Joseph Dixon.
And are you Mr. Valdez?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, I'm showing you what's entitled discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case that you revealed with your client?
I did and I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Valdez, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Valdez, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle that is a state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call on the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication will revoke, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he is currently competent, was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Valdez, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than a plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you can represent him?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. The state opposes your applications. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea bargain agreement.
Yes, it's a be specific. It was, I believe, a cap of 2. Anywhere within your discretion, Judge.
Is that correct?
It is, Judge.
All right. Any objections to the state making the notation that it's a cap of 2 years?
No objection.
And did you understand your agreement was a cap of 2 years, Mr. Valdez?
Yes.
All right, you learned what's entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal the only items that can be appealed are registry trial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, the many such motions.
There are not.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Judge. State would offer State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Mr. Valdez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call on the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulations, testimony, and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find me guilty. However, the court will defer finding me guilty if she applies for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Judge, it's up. If you request a PSI, we understand that, but we would like to go straight to sentencing today.
All right. Then the court will hear argument. State you're requesting that his application be denied. Is there a reason?
Yes, Judge. In his criminal history, I believe Mr. Valdez, I believe it was in, I may need to double check, but I think it's within the past 5 years. He was placed on probation for the same type of offense. He was not able to successfully complete that. That probation was sentenced to 14 months in state jail. Judge, I think that the majority of his other criminal history is not related, but I think what's most evident is he's been on probation before for stealing motor vehicles, and yet he's here before the court again for stealing motor vehicles, and he's asking for probation. Judge, I think that we should learn from the lessons of the last time that he tried probation on this offense is that he deserves state jail and not probation.
Judge, prior offenses that the state mentioned, a lot of the prior ones he had were rejected or dismissed cases. He did have a 2017 unauthorized use of a vehicle. He would go to state jail facility. We're asking to get deferred probation on this case, Your Honor. This, while he's not contesting it, he's asking for probation because he has had priors before. None were first-degree convictions, never been to TDC, no second-degree convictions. He is a licensed plumber. I believe he's a good candidate for probation. He was at one time homeless before this happened, and he doesn't want that lifestyle anymore. He's living with his mother. He does have 2 children, but they're both grown adults. They do have children of their own, so he's a grandfather. But he believes that he can get work in a plumbing field, pay off fines, do community service. He would really like a chance to have education.
All right. I'm concerned because I read the stipulations, Mr. Valdez, and in the stipulations, not only did you steal a vehicle, you were working on the vehicle, so it were your vehicle, and then a video was produced showing you actually driving the vehicle. So why are we taking things that don't belong to us?
I was homeless, man, and
That's no excuse. I mean, does being homeless give you a pass to steal cars? No. Stealing cars is against the law. Does being homeless give you a pass to break into people's homes? No. And there are plenty of other places here. So we're back to the question of why are you stealing the vehicle and working on the vehicle as though it's your own?
it was a mistake I made, man.
Yep, it's not a mistake, it's a choice. You know what a mistake is? Brenda, are you ready? This is what a mistake is. I check the weather report. They tell me it's going to rain. I bring my black umbrella to the courthouse. It rains. There's a person sitting next to me. They have a black umbrella. I get ready to leave the courthouse. I grab a black umbrella because I bought a black umbrella. When I go outside with my umbrella and I open it up, I see initials on it. It's not my initials. That's a mistake because I thought that was my black umbrella. You made a bad choice. So let me just tell you what a bad choice is. I don't know it's going to rain. I didn't check the weather report. My mom didn't call me and tell me it was going to rain. So I come to court. I don't have an umbrella. And somebody says, Stephanie, it's raining outside. And there's an umbrella next to me. And I take that umbrella and I go outside with that umbrella to on my way. That's not a mistake. I didn't bring an umbrella. I didn't know it was going to rain. I just decided to steal it because it was raining. So you haven't made mistakes. You've made choices.
Yes.
I just find it very bold to steal a vehicle, do repair work on a vehicle like it's your own. That's a problem. And how old are you?
49.
49, you're old enough to know better. All right, I'm going to deny your application. Does anybody want to speak to the cap?
Judge, I can briefly judge. 14 months was what he was given on the last theft of a vehicle. And obviously that was not enough for him to stop stealing vehicles, because we're back here again a few years later, Judge. We'd asked for you to start at 14 months because that was the amount of medicine he was given last time for his behavior. And obviously it didn't take, because we're back here for another judge with another stolen vehicle.
Defense.
Judge, if you could consider that the vehicle was not trashed out, it was not abandoned in a ditch, there was no crash, there was no restitution as far as nothing was scraped, no parts were removed, there wasn't sold off parts to sell. As far as punishment, sentencing on the lower end discretion, considering that he's never been to TPC, he just had one prior state jail trip. We're asking somewhere between under 9 months, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Valdez, what do you think you deserve?
Thanks, Joe. Man.
No, I mean, you're going to the state jail facility. My question is, how much time do you think you deserve? So I can sentence you anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. How much time do you deserve for stealing someone's vehicle?
2 years, man.
Oh, well, thank you for why do you deserve 2 years?
It is the second time I've done it.
All right. Court will sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's right to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I call it just plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record, Mr. Valdez. You got to start making better choices. Otherwise, you're going to look up and find yourself the oldest person in TDC or the state jail facility. You understand? So what will end up happening is when new people come in, they're going to say, how does this place run? What are the rules I should know about? And you know what they're going to say? Ask the oldest person here. And they're going to say, who is that? And you know what the answer is going to be? Oh, Mr. Valdez. We call him Grandpa Valdez. Don't be that person at the prison or the state jail facility who's the oldest person there. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what's up with all these tattoos? What's up with the side forehead tattoo?
It's dumb choices I made, man.
Was it painful?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you think of stopping?
I was kind of in the middle of it already. I just finished.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Valdez.